Learn how to effectively use Claude to generate comprehensive AI design documents. This video will teach you skills crucial for accurate and efficient AI project planning. Welcome to our video on how to use Claude for AI design documents. Are you ready to revolutionize your AI project planning with cutting-edge tools? In this video, we will explore how Claude can assist in creating comprehensive and structured AI design documents. By the end, you'll be equipped to enhance your project planning with precision and efficiency. Let's dive in. Claude is more than just an AI tool, it's your companion in crafting detailed AI design documents. Its advanced features allow you to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring precision and efficiency. Claude's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you're integrating it into existing workflows or starting from scratch, Claude adapts seamlessly, enhancing productivity and accuracy in your AI projects.
Setting up Claude is a straightforward process, but understanding the nuances can greatly enhance its effectiveness. We'll guide you through the initial setup, from downloading the software to configuring it to suit your specific needs. Explore customization options to ensure Claude works optimally within your existing software ecosystem. We'll also address common setup challenges and provide solutions to streamline the process.
A well-structured AI design document is crucial for successful project execution. We'll dissect the key components' objectives, technical specifications, timelines, and more. Learn how to format these elements to enhance clarity and detail, ensuring your document serves as a comprehensive guide for all project stakeholders. By the end of this section, you'll be familiar with best practices and ready to implement them in your AI documentation.
Integrating Claude into your existing workflows can amplify efficiency and productivity. We'll explore strategies for seamless integration, ensuring compatibility with tools you're already using. Discover how to customize Claude to meet specific project requirements, and learn how to overcome common integration challenges. By optimizing your workflow with Claude, you'll enhance your team's ability to deliver high-quality AI projects.
Clarity in documentation is paramount. We'll delve into best practices for structuring your AI design documents to ensure they are clear, concise, and accessible. Learn how to utilize visual elements effectively to enhance understanding. Review and revision techniques will be covered to ensure your documents maintain high standards of quality and accessibility for all team members.
Claude's automation capabilities are a game changer for repetitive documentation tasks. We'll explore how you can leverage these features to save time and increase efficiency. Customize automation processes to fit your specific needs and learn from real-world examples of successful automation. By the end of this section, you'll be equipped to harness Claude's full potential in streamlining your documentation workflow.
Accuracy and relevance are critical when generating content with Claude. We'll provide tips to ensure your documents are precise and aligned with project goals. Learn how regular updates and feedback can improve content quality, and discover best practices for validating information. By maintaining high standards of accuracy and relevance, your AI design documents will effectively support your project's success.
Using Claude may present challenges, but with the right strategies, they can be overcome. We'll identify common issues users face and provide practical solutions to enhance your experience. Learn how to address integration problems and improve usability. Additionally, we'll highlight community resources and support channels to assist you in navigating challenges effectively.
Congratulations! You've now learned how to effectively use Claude for AI design documents. Remember, mastering these skills is essential for accurate and efficient AI project planning. We encourage you to implement what you've learned and share your experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.